Hey everybody, it is day 24 of our summer sketches, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a super cute watermelon using the letter A. Let's get to it. We're going to draw a capital letter A, nice and big in the center here. Okay, let's make some details with our pencil. All you're gonna do is close off this line here, and you're gonna do one more there. Next, we're gonna draw some seeds. And guys, it wouldn't be a cute watermelon without some eyes. And we should give it a little smile. All right, let's outline him. Okay, and what's really gonna make this cute is some color. So let's go ahead and give it some color. And it's summertime right now, so we've been having lots of watermelon here in Florida. I wonder if you guys are watermelon fans. You guys make watermelon popsicles. Those are something that's always so good. Now I have this light pink color that I'm gonna do for this little middle part, because you know, kind of gets a little bit clear when it gets close to the rind. So that's what that part is right there. Well, I hope you guys have been enjoying learning how to draw some fun new things. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch. And there you have it, you guys. A cute piece of watermelon, perfect for the summer.